Okay, hold on. What are we doing? Okay. Go here. Edit.
Go on over to the VT1S page. You're gonna go live there. You'll watch the whole thing. So today is the pre-release. Today is the pre-release of the Nani Vatu album. So you're gonna watch everything unfold there. Set guys? There's no tamari who just people done so I'm going off my eyebrows.
Okay, we're live.
Ooh, we're live, guys.
All right, can everybody hear us? We are live. How's everybody doing tonight? Welcome to the VT1's Ngani Vatu pre-release live stream. We got people hopping in the chat. Tag your friends. Anyone else here in the live stream? Let's check out the chat. All right, there we go. Hi guys, how's everybody? We got YouTube here, Facebook and Instagram, broadcasting live from the studio here at VT1. How's everybody doing?
Alrighty, Bulavanaka everyone, it's so nice to see you guys all here. You have no idea how excited we are. You know what, Tix had to ram his brain up for today?
Yes.
But how is it?
I figured it out, I think. We figured out a few things on how to get this thing live.
Yeah, absolutely. And the best part about this is the release is going to be happening tonight. And this is the legit pre-release. So you're going to be hearing it here first before YouTube and the rest of the world hears it. My South
Chico, VT King Buruburas. Welcome.
Vinaka.
Who's here? We've got Lani Makosoy on YouTube. Loud and clear there. All right. Mbula, who's this? Lela Taru. How's it? Ratungoro. Everybody joining in on the live stream. We also got an announcement to make. Tonight, we're giving away what? This. Oh, I think it's like too bright.
Oh,
there you go. I think it's like reflecting off your forehead.
Hey, damn! Leave my forehead out of this. All right, this is the JBL that we're going to be giving away, and it's going to be pretty simple. If you want to win this bad boy,
what do you have to do?
Are we going to talk about it right now?
Yes, I think we'll just talk about it right now because it's like really important for everybody joining.
Okay.
We need you to tag 3 friends, okay? Tag 3 of your friends right there in the comments on Instagram and Facebook. Tag them. That's all you have to do. Tag 3 friends, and at the end of the stream at around like 10 o'clock like that, one person will walk away with this JBL Flip 7 speaker.
Vinaka JBL, someone to be JBL. Drop the blue hearts in the comment section. Drop the blue hearts for JBL.
Yes.
Oi, awak tak benar tu kalau black.
Black.
Oi, drop the black hearts.
Black heart. Black heart. We cross over Manda to we've got some special guests here. So tonight is a very big night, like Katali was mentioning. We're going to play the VT1's Ngani Vatu songs. They actually come out tomorrow, but for only you gang here on the stream, you gang get to hear it exclusively here tonight. We'll also talk to all our artists. We've got our wonderful artists sitting around here. Wait, let me just open it up so you can see them. Hey, say hello, artists. Wave. Yay! We got all our artists here having a little mix here at the studio. Boy, true's up.
Vinaka JBL.
You getting Satano is empty. How come your Tano is empty? Hey! Oh, about to refill it. Okay. Anyone there on the mic? Let's cross over. All right. Who's here? Let's all say hello to the chat, guys. Pass the mic around.
Moata here.
Yay! Big round of applause. That's one of our new artists, Moata.
What's up, guys? Liz Vamarasi here.
Yay!
Bula, guys. Kesia here.
Kesia.
And Bula, guys, it's Kali.
Yee!
Thunder here.
Thunder, Tropic Thunder. How come?
I'm correct, and I keep applying for VT1.
So that's the squad here. We all gathered here at the studio for this very special big night tonight. Talia and I will be your host.
Buluvinaka, welcome to wherever you're tuning in from. Listen, this is different. Whose idea was this?
Boy, I don't know Saranga whose idea this was. This was just some random brain fart on Monday. But we thought that we'd hop on to give our supporters, all the gang who listen to the VT1's music, a special look at Ngani Vatu tonight, early, before the release. What time does it air? What time does the album come out?
12 a.m.
12 a.m.? 12 a.m. or 10 a.m.? I think it's 10 a.m. actually. 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. tomorrow, you can stream Ngani Vatu, all 6 tracks with the 3 new artists on all streaming platforms, including YouTube. Yeah.
But this one is special. Like what Tix was saying, this one is going to be special because you get to hear it first. And if you're in the chat, Mbula Rem, Mbula Sia, Danya, Vat, Chanch Mlesi,
Jamapel. Hey, Greg, somebody saying, why one mannequin sitting in you gang's live stream? Greg, not one mannequin, man.
Awesome. But leave Greg alone, man.
Leave him. Tonight he's going to sing one French song for us just before we turn off the live stream to make everybody go to sleep.
And there you go. Thank you so much for joining the chat. If you just joined, hey, I see you Mori, I see you Maraya. Hey, you know what? Thank you so much. I see you Wedja, I see Emily, I see the whole lot of y'all. Keep the comment section burning. Drop some black hearts, drop some blue hearts, whatever heart you want to give. If you want to give some roses, some actual ones, we do take pot plants as well.
Drop your pants, man. Drop your pants, guys. Hey, that's Benji Amori from Paradise Roots.
Let's go.
Shout out the brothers from Paradise Roots. They're also dropping an album this month, which is quite exciting. Lots of interesting things happening here on Fiji Music. Okay, so we're gonna open Manda with one song. I think Asking should dance around a little bit around the tunnel. The tunnel. Who went to buy the grog? Greg, brother, do your job. Do your job, boy. We're going to be giving away this JBL Flip 7 to one lucky person tonight. Tag 3 friends, and at the end at 10 o'clock, we're going to give it away to some lucky gang. Okay?
See, and the beautiful thing about it, the more you share, we see if you sharing. So we will be able, I can see all your gang that's sharing this live. So if you want to win it, go press that share button.
The more you shop, the more you save. That's the one. Okay. We're going to kick things off. Just have a little break. Make sure you keep tagging, keep those comments flowing in. You're on the VT1's Ngani Vatu pre-release live stream. Big round of applause, everybody, for everybody in the chat.
Sao Chico.
Too good. Domanda na sere, eh?
From the islands, from Fiji to the Solomons, up to the PNG Highland.
Hey, how's it going? Have a look at Alrighty, remember that the live stream is actually on VT1. Right now on VT1, I'm just here to tell you guys to head on over that side. If you want to go
Why did?
to VT1, Facebook and
Okay,
Instagram.
maybe I'll. On what? You can hear on Facebook. It must be muted. You can hear this now.
Hey, get it on. Okay. Let me just read this. Hey, Biggs, I see you. Hey, Joe Brown. Thank you so much for the love.
That's right. Welcome to the studio. It's the VT1's Vatu live stream. We're just sorting out some things. I think. What's that? Why is my mic echoing, man? Oh, it's because of this. Okay, there. See?
Oh, well, there you go. Problem solved. Listen, sometimes you have to look with your eyeballs.
Oh, sorry, Mike. Sorry, Mike.
Sometimes you have to look around, you know.
Sayang, we trying to figure out how to work this thing.
To know the fella just discovered this app, man.
We just discovered this yesterday, so don't hate us.
Hey, Elijah, thank you so much for tuning in. We have Fumaru.
Hey, Fumaru!
Wow.
Fumaru in the chat. Put that gang up so you have something else to look at.
Eh, orto sa sideways too.
Wait, Eva, can you gang Veve yourself? I think frozen that one. That
Hey,
camera is-
you unfreeze.
Can someone unfreeze that? Okay. Well, we'll be
Never
sorting
mind.
out, we need to sort out some things on the live stream. Sorry.
All right, well, if fella's gonna do that, handle big dog business, well, I'm just gonna go around and say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from. You can check me out Savaram, Bulavinaka. If you're overseas, Bulasi, Dombulamai, Bulayani.
Where's everyone watching from? Any gang from PNG and Solomon Islands in the chat?
Yeah, let me know. Let us know. Hey, I see you, Sonny. Let's go. Vinakana Loloma.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Sonny.
Sonny.
It's Sonny.
Sonny the Hedgehog.
Awesome.
Okay, so tonight we're gonna talk to some of the artists. We're gonna let you guys hear the songs. We're gonna tell more with the writer. We've got Jay Tauleka here. What happened? Eda by Frozen talking though. Man, bakloloma.
Sa smile to
Kim dorani reset. Okay, off man daw to na gross kwan go minus. Kung nga may nag-grog, baka jam sa nga nito live stream.
Wete.
Bulamina from PNG. Woo, Tonga Rewa in the chat.
Okay.
Kesia, your people here. Yawaj. LA, Lisa Lewis from LA. How's it? Wait, catchy.
Hey, Bola Vinaka Jerry, Bola Rembola CR. And we also have Lisa, Los Angeles.
Wow.
No freaking way. That's so awesome. Bola Re.
Los Angeles Lambasa. Oh, sorry, sa on ito Grog Squad. Hey,
What? Oh, wrong side.
oh, please. Something is okay. Off man, there's too much gibberish going on over there. I am looking forward to playing some songs.
Yes, let's do that.
I think we'll wait a bit. Let more gang join.
Yeah. Oh, some songs na
Sonny the Hedgehog.
Pony Hedgehog. Dalay lambasang bola Vinaka Poji, Bola Re. Ay, miyang Bola CR.
Okay. I want you gang to just tell me, can you gang hear this? Some gang saying they can't hear any music in the thing. Can you hear this music? Give us a sign. Flap your arms. Well, sorry guys, we'll wait for more gang to join. Everyone, more gang on the chat before we start talking music. Set. Cameras on. Thank you, Hayden.
Nice.
Oh, one more thing.
Iyo.
We're gonna play one exclusive music video on this stream tonight.
Ay, fama. Let's go.
So we've been working on a very interesting project called this one here, Ngani Vatu, comes out tomorrow. We've got some great visuals. We went up to Namosi. You came to Namosi too, eh?
I went to Namosi. You gang were doing this project and I was out in the bushes doing my own thing.
Eating grass. What?
I was being a mermaid.
Being a mermaid in the mountain. How many of you saw that video? It's hilarious.
I was being a literal ngani Vatu.
Wow, kaka.
Quack, quack.
Quack, more than that. Who else?
Boy, so good, man.
American Samoa in the chat. Makereta Satui. Hey, is this your family, Kesia?
Yes, Lotoka family is listening in.
Oh, Kesia, say hello to your Lotoka family. Where's your mic? Wait, we get Kesia on mic, and then we'll cut to Kesia. You can look at the camera, Kesia, and say hello to them, eh? Oi, sa squirrel. Awa. We saw mo effects. Oh, what's it? Okay, what's tali?
That's hilarious.
Isa, what's it? Auntie Maki, I destroyed your niece's voice. Asking having one small mix here and domain donam below.
Oh, wow. See this gang, they're just drinking grog. They don't even want to look up anything. Wow.
They don't want to show their true colors on the live stream.
Sam, bola panapasa. Sa, you want to do one request? Oh, Greg, Fala said you have to buy his brand new Tano. Then Fala can do one.
By his sapo.
Kuha ni buy his sapo.
Everybody, okay, cool. Who's this? Tuning here from Nandi.
Nandy.
Nandi Town.
Nancy.
Nandi Town. Hey!
Hey!
Wait, Valentine.
Bras.
Oh.
Valentine, why you want me to samuraka the mic to you?
Bring the Bible. This
Big-
fella needs the word. This fella needs the word. I think he needs the word, yeah.
Also, just a friendly reminder, we are live right now on Facebook, Instagram, and you have to share the live in order for you to walk away with this Bad Bunny. I was gonna say Bad Bunny. Bad
bugs.
boy. Bad bugs, different thing. You have to share the live in order for you to walk away with this. The draw for this is actually happening at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. All right?
That's if we're still alive with the amount of grog this game and bought. Yo,
Exactly.
Keren bilo. How's this? Really?
Of course, we have, boleh anti makareta. I can see you panapasa, Scotland, UK, Vinaka na vita konch kamay.
Yeah, Ndombula.
You guys are literally hanging out with us while we wait for this thing. That's it. We just one big happy family
Everybody's together.
in one like little space.
Very. Hey, wait.
Hey,
I think Paul. Paul in the chat with my government name.
the government
Not
name,
the government name.
destroyer of.
Good boy.
Boy, kailangan natamata ko. I already told you, you're not champion. You got this one. Bola si ah.
Yeah, wait. Greg. This is random how Greg rocked up to our studio. He was just walking downstairs and we saw him like a lost child.
No, stop, get away.
Minga bomb me.
Bomb the director so we can go on holiday tomorrow.
Oh, wow, just. We also have some special guests who will be coming to talk on the stream. You've already seen the white tiger Greg there. You see him tucking around there. And we've also got some other friends who dropped by to come and see the stream. Hey, what are we eating tonight? What are you eating? Wow.
Wete.
Bo invite mo na. Greg, kani-kani.
Alrighty. My share chicken alive, share the live, keep the live going, keep the share going.
Okay. Share the love.
As soon as you guys are sharing, I am able to see who's sharing. So you have to share in order for you to walk away with this JVL.
You're like one teacher. If they don't share, then what?
Kukun pussy. Ano, kukun pustaki.
Hey, Yahweh.
Mai, tossa chikamai.
Alfie, Mbula, Alfie, kere tiramisu, Alfie. Yeah, kere chesa, please.
Alrighty, I can see all 180 something of you guys on Facebook.
Hi, Hayden. Why are you testing? Yeah.
Yes, but we can't see you. We can only see Greg.
Oh. Should be. Not you. Okay, you guys just tell us. Can you hear Hayden speaking? Hayden, just go in front of the camera and say something so they know when you're talking.
Well, like,
Got it. That's Hayden, our videographer.
period.
Okay, I have to figure out how to work this thing. Yeah. No.
Yo, Greg singing the light bulb. So.
Oh, nope. Panapasa said, nope. We can't hear Hayden. I try again, eh? Hayden, bring me under your mic. I was getting stay unprofessional up here on the live stream. We stay unprofessional. Hello, hello, hello.
We will fix it.
Okay, I'll talk lang. Okay.
Hey, thank you so
Hello?
much, man.
Hello?
Osea,
Hello?
Valentine. We have D coming in the section. Bulam bulam. Wow.
Valentine Holmes.
Alfie Cordoviri said Hayden's mic is not miking.
It's not miking. Oh, there it is. Hello? Can you hear it now?
Oh, pardon me.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
I know you can hear me. No.
Oh, yes, yes,
Yes, eh?
yes, yes.
See? Guys, one round of applause, Manda, for me for fixing this mic.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, yeah.
Patam. Oh, thank you. Naka, thank you.
Dinner is served.
Sound check 1, 2. Sano here. I think it's working now.
Whoa,
Whoa, hey,
whoa.
you breathing very heavily, boy.
Wait.
ASMR.
Eh?
Mike just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, never mind. You will have to come here and talk then. Throw that mic away. Okay. Dummy the mic check. Dummy the mic check.
Sometimes you have to dummy the thing if the thing not working, eh?
Makan dua.
Some of you, gang, when the thing not working, you can still holding on to it. Dummy. Dummy. Sarang na chiko.
It's okay. At least we've got 2 mics here. We got 2 mics, and then we're gonna talk to some gang soon. It's 8:22. We're gonna talk to our first. Who do you wanna talk to first? Put it in the chat. Wiley. Gregor. Man, I don't want to.
I told you teaspoon, no?
It's okay, Sapo. That's a French teaspoon.
I've never met one Kaivalangi fellow who drinks more grog than this fella, man. This is the kind of fellow you wish they never taught him how to drink grogs.
In one go. I can do that.
If you're wondering what's playing in the background, we're listening to the sounds of the one and only
Wow.
future Hall of Famer, Tropic Thunder. Some deadly background music for us here on the stream. Vibe stock. Deadly.
Hey, bulare. Hey, Jay, why you never come to work, man?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Jay. Oh, Jay Mesa. Thank you so much for tuning in wherever you're tuned in from. Welcome to the pre-release. Hey, one light bulb. The pre-release for the Ngani Vatu album, VT1's 4th album in 5 years. That's massive. That's something we are definitely going to be showing on here. And if you look around the room, if you can see, we have artists that are sitting in here. We have the producers, we have the composers, the lyricists that are going to be here in the building as well. So you actually get to look into the people that actually come together to make this album possible for you.
Could you look into the people? Look into the people who are in surgery.
You go want to look into Greg now, you gang,
Have
eh?
him.
Hey, Vanuatu, I see you in the house.
Bula Vanuatu.
Bula.
Man, we had such a good time in Vanuatu. We were over there last year in December. We went to Port Vila, and then in 1 week we went to Santo. Yeah, we'll get more stories from the artists when we tell them to them. Really? Hey, Thunder, Sefton in the chat. Oh, I don't know who this is. This is the real Sefton Fesaitu. That's him. Yeah, come and say hello to him. Errol Nganga, tuned in from Hawaii Princess Road.
Hagana Bobo.
Yeah, where? Hey, Errol, yellow command and come down to the office. We hop on the stream. Huh?
The music is slow.
Yeah. Set.
This gang sing the music low. Man,
Who sing?
turn it up.
Who sing? Who sing?
Gang.
On the chat.
Yo.
Memang go. What's it? Hey,
Hey.
I put turn it low because otherwise I'm gonna start drinking again. Dong bulan from Australia, dong bulan Binaka, bulan Melbourne.
Also, if you can look, we got some VT1S merch hanging right here. Don't forget the VT1S merch is actually available at Totally.
Totally,
If
right?
you totally.
If you totally want it, you go to Totally.
There we go. If you want to get your hands on some totally shit, you got it right here.
Vacancies. Okay, all right. We're gonna get the activities rolling, and just remember one more time. I'm gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it often. I'm gonna say it one more time. After this, we won't say it again.
You got the Viva like share.
Share takan stream, running in takan yango.
I've never seen this sort of my director, guys. Stop it.
Sorry, you haven't seen my radio song.
Okay, that's the trick to it. So we're going to be giving this away. We've already told you a million times. We're going to tell you a million and one time. You have to share the live, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Facebook or YouTube. Share this. I will be able to get the notification that you've shared it. All right. And at 10 o'clock, we're going to pick the winner.
Right.
Congratulations to me.
You can win. You work here.
But you don't tell anyone that?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's a bit hard because you already on the stream. All right. It's now 8:30. I think we
Yes.
talked to somebody.
Yes.
We're gonna talk to Thunder and Jay. Big round of applause, Manda, for Thunder, Tropic Thunder, and Jay Tauleka. Hop into the studio, guys. You can just come around here because our mic is Vatu.
I'll say dinner break.
Okay, dinner break, Manda. Dinner break. We're gonna have a little talanoa with Thunder and Jay Tauleka, the creative minds behind Ngani Vatu. I'm gonna off this grog squad. They're eating. We don't want to see that. Tulangi's mouth wide open and chewing. No manners. Bring one chair. Come. All right. Safety. Thunder Uro. Shut up. Hey, Mishan. In the chat. Mishan,
Hey,
Mula, my
cool,
brother.
Mishan.
How's it, bro? Hey, you want to join the chat, Mishan? I'll send you a link. You can join in. Wait, I just send Mishan this link and then maybe we get him in on the chat. Talanor a bit. Okay. Can somebody tell me how to share a link over here? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna send Mishan a link. Who else you can want to see on the chat? Can invite some gang into the chat. Mishan. Let me see if the fella can join. Mishan. Join if you can, bro. Okay. All right, guys, we are here on the VT1's Ngani Vatu pre-release live stream, sitting here with Mr. Tropic Thunder, Mr. Jay Tauleka, our producer and our composer.
Everybody.
So yeah, I think we're gonna ask him just a few questions around the project. Yeah, like maybe just give people a bit of a background on the album and how the process has been, coming up with all the songs.
Okay, so there's 6 songs on the album. There's 6 songs. That's Jay on the first track with a Vatu, and then followed by Mohelaka with Senator, then Kali Tui with Toto, and then Tulangi's track, Sevataki, then Kesia with Kawai, and Liz with Galawasa.
Right. I know we've already answered this question on when you guys were on Today FM.
Yes.
But how did, just for the gang in the chat, how did the theme for Ngani Vatu come about?
How did the theme come about? We didn't have a theme. When we heard when Jay showed us his voodoo,
Right.
then we decided to make it the name of the album.
Right. So for you, Jay, like how was it coming up with the voodoo? Like, I remember the first time I heard it, it was I think it was clear from the beginning, from the first time we heard it, that it was gonna be the actual song, that was gonna lead the album, lead the whole thing. How was that process composing voodoo? Because you've been composing pop and all that kind of stuff, and then all of a sudden, I mean, you've done one voodoo for us before.
Yeah.
But like, how was that?
It was kind of a, what can I say? Because voodoo usually comes natural to me. So we were at a MacFest meeting, and then we had this whole voodoo thing. Like we were talking about voodoo, so how we could come up with something like that, like something indigenous. So funny, like long story short, I was in the studio. I was working on a voodoo. Actually, I prepared it in advance for. Sorry. All right. So yeah, I was saying I was at MacFest during a meeting, and I was with Tix and Thunder, and interesting fact, we were actually talking about voodoos when we were in the meeting, and I was prepping the voodoo. This is the funny thing. I was prepping the voodoo in advance for MacFest, like in case you guys ask me to do like a voodoo or something from our end. And when I was working on the voodoo, Tix walked in the studio. He walked in the studio and he asked me if that could be the opening for the album. That's how Manipat became the thing for the album.
Right. Yeah, I think one thing that we're big on this year at VT1S is like reconnecting with our roots. We've been making lots of pop music since Thunder started the movement back in 2021, and I think this year is really about linking back to our indigenous storytelling, being proud of our indigenous stories, and just that whole process. So it's really like heartwarming for me to see like both you guys in studio really embracing that journey.
And for me, when we shot this the video at my village. We shot the Ganibatu video there, and it was like what you said. It was heartwarming for me because I felt like a deeper connection with my roots, with my culture, with my families there, and it made more sense.
Yes.
That book just made more sense for me.
That was what was that experience like for you, Thunder? Like going onto the land, going into the Vanua to. Go and present it to the people of Namosi. What village again you from, my brother?
Nabunimbao Namosi.
Nabunimbao Namosi. We can't hear J, IG. Can you hear? You can't hear J on IG? Oh.
No, we can.
Wait, I have to check.
It's on.
Huh? Reza, my chat gang giving us wrong information. Yeah, but how was that process? Going onto the land, meeting Jay's kinsmen, his clansmen, and
drinking kava from our village.
Drinking kava.
For me, like I was saying to the team, when we normally do photo shoots, it doesn't have it's not that meaningful when you're just like a studio and taking photos. I think our trip up there to Jay's village, for me personally, not only just like making the music and all, it meant something deeper. Like we actually taking photos in the places where there was war fought back in the days, like that kind of thing. And just listening to the chant that Jay did and being in the actual place where even like where he's from, that the peregrine falcon is
Interesting fact, the peregrine falcon actually came the day after we left.
This is an interesting story. Just tell the story to the chat, man. That was like asking, got goosebumps again.
Yeah. Okay, so we went to shoot the video. The next day, my dad actually messaged me and sent me a video of the peregrine falcon at the location where we shot the video.
Boy.
That was interesting. and
That's not normal.
That was normal.
it's not normal because it doesn't usually come down to that.
That place.
Yeah, height wise, like it doesn't really come down to that. It was landing on one of the bamboo trees there,
Boy.
like that low. That was interesting.
We actually have the video of that. We might put it up on our social so you can have a look. But I think it was, for us at VT1s, it was like a stamp of approval from the Vanua that we were sort of like allowed to use the story, the mana was with us on this project. Big shout out to the people from Nabunimbau. Nabunimbau in Namosi, thank you very much for your kindness and allowing us on your land. The team at Ndakuina Romba, Bamboo Park. If you guys haven't seen, we've been pushing a lot of content. Go and support local businesses and communities who are doing interesting businesses and trying to do new things with their land. So it's amazing stuff. So without further ado, before we actually talk to the person who shot the video, instead of just playing Jay's Voodoo and showing you the Ngani Vatu theme, we're gonna play for you for the first time. And a lot of the artists here haven't seen the video yet. Another artist here have seen the video, so you guys on the chat and a lot of the artists will get to see it for the first time now.
Before we play it, can I say something about the album?
Sure.
Okay, so there's this interesting thing that I recently connected with, like with this album. It's my roots, and while working on this album, moving forward to the plans and the vision of the label, I actually felt that this album is the meeting point of traditional and modern music. This is where we start and we move to where we are targeting or the goal of the label.
Wakandua. That's the whole aim this year. You'll see that theme sort of in our shows that we're about to announce, in all the music videos that are about to come out. It's the meeting point, like Jay says it, between the traditional and the modern, and bringing our culture and stories into the new, into the new, for the new generations. Make it easier for them. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Thunder. All right, guys, put some love hearts or black hearts in the comments. We're gonna play the Ngani Vatu.
Nabi Tukana, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's my cousin.
Hey,
That's Jim Tukana's brother.
oh, Jim's brother. Hey, Ndakuina Romba Bamboo Park is here in the chat. Big shout out to the team at Ndakuina Romba. This clap is for you. Thank you very much for welcoming us onto your land. Hey, brother, you swine. Hey, this fella. After this, you're gonna sing one song. Okay. So, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to watch the video? Yeah, we're gonna watch it and we're gonna play the track. This is track number 1 on the VT1's new album that drops tomorrow at 10 a.m. And okay, wait, I have to see everything. Okay, Amanda. Reza.
The thing flew away.
Thing flew away like the little man. Okay, we're gonna try and set this up for you. Set it up for you guys. Well, before we do that, I just cut mandanga to this gang here, so it's not you're not looking at me trying to fiddle around. In the bambula, you gang on camera. Oh, sa off num do camera. Oh, sa camera num do off. Oh, is that too? All right, guys. Without further ado, this is the world premiere of VT1's Ngani Vatu, which is track 1 on the album, written and performed by Jay Tauleka, with the video that we're about to show you, shot in Nabunimbau, Namosi, Big Loloma, and thank you to the Matangali Namara and the team from Ndakuina Romba Bamboo Park for allowing us onto your land. Without further ado, let's have a watch. Before we have a watch, we're gonna rewind. Okay. Okay, off mo na kanggo. Wait. Yeah, it's yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
Bukate butambae dela niwai Dengu badu ninggara banua bolimai Bali batu ko kambu ya wamai Teki tambayani moya do kitai Ekumu kumunina o eloa Yanu yanu daban dambe toga Ibina mbaka zena koka Mbua mbua besi mea buni soba Andingani batu enggara banua Bendera nasi romana bua Kausan ruka unruka Ruka unruka Diri maina langi yang bisa nau Saubakana tangi onai buka buka Kausan ruka unruka Ruka unruka Ai tukuni ni ngauna rongoda mai rongoda matua Bua tua bua rua Sai toka e buni da kua Esenga enduan raule veru Belena sauri babingi bakaure Mua ingori kokila ikina Buki ala we musili Utamatanga bada kedua si Karamani lagi posili sili Matombo kambu ina Kona dala dani Ya watuna baka isa isa Ngalo kanina meda sangi Bokona muka mitu sangi Suruku ina bundi endua edik Kemu meda kede ko baka isi Kali wala ala mera sibita 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 Sibiti kole
Wow. Congrats, guys. Thank you, everybody, for joining us on the stream. That was the Ngani Vatu. Ngani Vatu, the video clip for VT1's Ngani Vatu, composed by Leka and produced by Tropic Thunder here at VT1 Studios. Thank you, guys.
Naka.
Big shout out to everybody in the chat right now. And right now, we're going to talk to someone who is a very important person who had a big part in shooting the Ngani Vatu video. Hey, Hayden, where's Hayden?
Greg. Oi.
Man, this is not the time to wash dishes. What did you guys think about that?
I thought Greg.
Huh? Okay?
I thought Greg.
Tony Greg. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the love hearts. Thank you all. This is a really big passion project from us at VT1s. To the Banu Namusi and the people of Nabunimbao, thank you for welcoming us onto your land and allowing us to tell these stories. Yes, very true. Jay Tauleka never disappoints. Amazing stuff from Jay and the team. Hello, Hayden.
Hello.
Not many of you know, but there's a big team here, a big small team, here at VT1s who helps move the cogs on the wheel. I also want to bring one more person into the chat, Paris Nasarwa. Mr. Epi is our director on that video that you just watched, and Hayden actually shot the video with the team. You guys hop in, guys. Sorry, guys, we only have one mic here.
We can share.
Yeah, please, you have to share the mic. How are you, Epi?
I'm good.
Thank you for joining us on the live stream.
Thank you for having me.
And just from me, congratulations on a stellar project. I think that first clip that people just saw just is a testament to you two's work and the amazing visual storytellers that you guys are, and it's amazing to work with you two. Give us a little bit about the experience. Maybe we'll start with Hayden and we'll come to you, Paris. How was it like shooting that?
First of all, hello to everybody. Thank you for joining the live stream. The experience. It was something very new for us. For as long as VT1S existed, we didn't do anything like that, I believe. And when we were at Namosi, we met. We didn't just go there, and we went there and we met the people. It was when I heard the stories that the village elders were telling us, was when I knew that like this is something bigger than us. And it was really nice to connect with the people, hear all the stories of their history, all the ancestors. So to me that was special. So I knew that us filming that, we had to do something special as well. So that's how that whole project came together.
Good stuff. And for you, Paris, you've been working on a lot of music videos. Paris, everyone knows him in the industry. He's been around since, when the act was being filmed with the animals, or Paris was in the music industry. Yeah, he's been there from Adam and Eve time.
Ancient.
How was working on that project?
Well, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to collaborate again.
Welcome.
I've only done like one music video with you guys. So that was Dave.
Oh,
that was an awesome experience.
Shout out.
Yeah,
that was awesome.
Yeah. This one here, for me personally, like it was quite interesting because this is the first time I had to do a visual for a Vatu. So yeah, I was just telling, because we were watching the world premiere outside,
right?
While we were having our chimbi
on Hayden's phone.
So yeah, I was just telling him like it was quite. I was quite emotional for Jerome because I know it meant so much for him. But yeah, when you have an amazing location like Namosi and the bamboo park,
right?
It makes it easier.
Yes.
Sometimes
you don't have to do so much.
Yes, because the beauty of the place and the location just supports the whole visual.
I think you touched on something really interesting. I think, like for everyone here at VT1S, we're really proudest for Jerome. Like to be able to take him back to his land, to allow him to work on a project that's really important to him, to tell indigenous stories, to tell like authentic stories from our Vanua, or maybe contemporary stories. It's a very proud moment for us to allow, to give it an opportunity. Yeah. So, what were some of the difficulties you faced shooting this video? Tell some story, Manda. Spill some tea.
Well, for me, I think it was the weather because, like, we have to stop the shoot at for a couple of like an hour.
Yeah.
I think, like, we're trying to because it rained and some factors like that we have to face.
Right.
And we have no control over.
I want to talk about something. I think people don't understand that we actually went up to Namosi twice. We went up to Namosi twice because the first time we went up, something just felt off, and I feel like it was.
I wasn't a part of that.
You weren't part of that one there yet, but I think it was the Vanua or the universe telling us that it wasn't the right time for us to be there to shoot. We went up, and then I think Fumaru is in the chat. Our wardrobe technician or our designer. He didn't make it to the transport and he wanted to catch a cab up to Namosi. And then we were all waiting there and he didn't make it. And we came back feeling a bit defeated and disappointed. But I think after we saw the video of the Nganiva to land in the park where we were shooting, we were like, you know what, we have to go back. This is the stamp of approval. And my oh my, you two both came through. Hayden, you're relatively new to making music videos.
Yes.
Can I just say, I'm so proud of Hayden.
Big round of applause. Everybody put a love heart for Hayden.
I didn't know this.
Right.
But I was talking to Hayden and then I asked him Hayden, because I was curious when I watched the Vukavi music video.
Right.
And how you guys shot it, shot you went to shoot in Vanuatu, and then Chandri shot his part in the Solomons,
Yes.
and then so I asked him like, Hayden, like, so shot in those 2 different countries, like who did the editing? And he said like, I did the editing. Oh my god! Like that's his first music video to edit.
That was his first. Bukadi already hit 1 million views by Liz Vamarasi and Sean. It's already passed 1 million views.
Yeah.
And that was Hayden's first ever music video. So
Yeah. And then this is like your second and the first one to shoot.
this is your second and
First to shoot.
Yeah, to shoot and edit all the way through. So really proud of you, Hayden. How's that experience been?
Honestly, I'm shocked. I'm just as shocked as you.
If you shock,
I'm
don't shock.
just as shocked. But I think it's the space that we're in. It allows us to pursue fields or like areas that we never thought that we would have.
Right.
So that's why that's one thing that I'm also grateful for this creative space, this team, for allowing each, not just me, but like the whole team, everyone's growing. Yeah, not only physically, but
Physically.
with their skills.
I think mostly physically, this
Yeah.
team is growing wider.
Yeah.
With all the eating.
Yeah.
No, but good stuff, Hayden, and I think the world's gonna see the visual, and they're gonna know just how good of a visual storyteller you are. And we look forward. This is just an exclusive, guys, for you guys on the chat. We're gonna be dropping 1 music video for each of the songs on the Ngani Vatu album, and it's gonna be directed by the man himself, Paris Nassarawa, and shot and edited by the man himself, Hayden Wasili.
Oh my gosh.
Big shout out, big shout out.
Sounds like a lot of work.
It is a lot of work, but you know what? You're gonna do it.
Sometimes it's good to challenge ourselves.
Good
Yes.
challenge.
Creative.
All right, guys. Thank you for coming onto the stream.
Thank you for having me.
Enjoy your grog.
Bye, everybody.
Okay,
Bye.
we just cross over man to the grog squad. Grog squad, kim do set chico se lava. Yung eyes still. Okay, you can not set. Namdo camera sa off. Raiders. Bata batali.
Hey, Boulevard next.
On that chat.
I see you guys burning up the comment section. Vinakwa. Greg, yali tumatawayaw na bumbulawiwi.
Yo, give a like if you want Tali to drink 1 bowl.
You don't drink the bowl.
Sige,
Drink
go
the
ahead.
potion.
The quotient.
The potion. There's too much, Gregor.
It's a small bowl.
It's a small bowl, but big grog. Yeah, thank you guys. Richard Mbutuwanua, awesome release. Happy to see some artists bringing back the sound of our natives. The traditional sound is something we rarely hear nowadays. Maybe back in the day, but now it's mostly just covers. This is refreshing and a good reminder that our roots should never be lost. Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you for that, Richard. Yes, amazing. Yes, Sir Mamode. The Ngani Vatu flying that low on that day was a seal of approval for us. It was a seal of approval. We might play the video again. No, we won't play the video again. You can watch it tomorrow on YouTube. All right.
I'm really struggling here, director. Can you book it?
Sige nga, this pala nga. I don't know. You nga invited him. Huh? Camera. Let me see. Grog Squad camera. Yeah, Grog Squad camera is back.
Period.
Wave to the camera, guys. Got Kali Tui there. What did I say? Damagori. Really, minus as Ging's mic.
Hey, Bolivaraka, also don't forget that Kananto JBL speaker, the giveaway is actually happening at 10 o'clock, all right? And if you want to know how you can walk away with a JBL speaker, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is share the live, whether you are on Facebook, whether you're on Instagram, or even if you are on YouTube. Share it.
Gotcha.
Share it, but when you get your JBL speaker, you don't share it, eh? This is a high-value speaker, so why you want to give it?
How you gonna share the speaker?
You know how they're
Half
Liz
it.
Bata?
Half it.
Go and half it.
Oh, Rebecca Nasiko. Bula Becky, how's it, man? Thanks for joining the streams. Bula Jeremiah, Anasani. Too good now. Oh. Tag 3 friends in the comments, and at 10 o'clock, one of you will win this JBL Flip 7. Okay, we're gonna move on. I think we talked to someone else. Maybe we talked to the first artist after the Voodoo. Track number 2. on the album is none other than our brand new artist. Her name is Mohelata. Mohelata, you would have seen her photo. Mohelata, come here. Oh, you're on the phone.
She got Instagram.
Oh, yeah, she's on the phone.
Hi, I'm going on now.
Literally on the phone. I love it.
Reza.
Mom, bye.
Oh, hello.
See
Hey.
you on the live.
Hello, Kata. All right, guys. We are here with Mohelata. She's not a new face on the scene. You would have seen her around. She's been singing for quite a while. For someone so young, you've been singing for ages, eh? Like, when did you start singing?
Ooh, I think since I was like
16 years old. Eh? I remember in my old job, I recorded you. You were still in school. Remember
Oh my god.
that video?
Yes.
You're singing what's that Billie Eilish song?
Billie Eilish, Love Me.
Love Me, right? Yeah, that
Lovely,
was.
lovely.
Oh, lovely. Can you love me? Yes. So, Dimitra, tell us a bit about yourself. Introduce yourself to the public before we play your song.
Malo Lele.
Oh, Mohelata, sorry. Using the wrong name.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohelata. Mohelata is not a stage name, it is my actual name, one of my actual names. It's a
Too good.
Tongan name.
Too good.
And I'm from Namadu village, Koro.
Yay! Shout out to the Koro gang.
We made it.
We made-
And maternal links to Ovalau Lovoni, and in my heart's Sawana Panombalavu.
My Soana Vanyombolavus.
Yes, I'm Fijian, but raised like a Tongan.
Yeah, this is a very interesting moment for us because, like, you know, for someone like you who is also wanting to reconnect with her roots, it's amazing because I had never heard you sing in Fijian or in Itauke until you joined. So that's why this next song is really special for me because we get to finally hear you sing in Itauke, in Fijian. Eh?
Yes.
How was that experience, finally singing in Fijian? After a long, like, never really, eh?
Yeah. Honestly, I was surprised that I had to start singing Fijian once I joined. I was like, oh no, English.
It's called VT1S, gang.
Yeah.
We sing in Fijian.
It was a good experience. I'm still learning.
Mhm.
I'm still learning. It's a learning process, and
Right.
I'll get there.
Yeah, it's good. You got a good team to teach you. Jay Tauleka is excellent with the language. He's a storyteller in Itauke. Is the perfect person to sort of introduce you to that. Now, you've been playing gigs around. How is this experience different for you in terms of music compared to what you've been doing?
Because usually I just sing cover songs,
Right.
and now we're going to be singing like original songs and in Fijian, and it's just that raw feeling you have. It's really different, way different.
Amazing. You're also a dancer. Would you consider yourself a dancer first or a singer first?
I consider myself both.
Makan tua.
Can I be both?
Sorry, why can't I be both? Claps, manda, claps. See, that's the one. You don't have to be one or the other. You can be anything you want in life. And yeah, you're an excellent dancer and performer. We can't wait to see you on stage, which is what I'm really excited about.
Yes.
What can people expect from your live show?
From my live show, I hope you're all ready with your dancing shoes, honestly, and have that teki ready. Teki ready, guys.
Yes. And talking about teki, your song, it's called Senitoa.
Senitoa hibiscus.
Why Senitoa, and how did that come about? How did you come up with that? Or I know you and Jay came up with it, but what was the idea behind that?
Oh, the idea behind it is like I just wanted to be better for my family, and I hope like that song could relay my story.
Right.
And I just love hibiscus. So I was like,
I love the Hibiscus Festival.
hibiscus.
No, true. It's called Senitoa. We're gonna listen to it now. This is a world exclusive. Track number 2, right here on the VT1S Vatu live stream. Big round of applause for Mohelata. Let's check out this new exclusive song This is the first time it's been played. It's released tomorrow, but for you gang here on the live stream, you can listen to the thing now. Now haranga. Awa. I look for the thing and then oh, here we go. All right, where's J Tauleka? Shout out to J Tauleka and Tropic Thunder for the production and the composition, the writing. It's amazing. Amazing music. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mohelata, world exclusive, with her new song on the VT1's album called Senitoa. Okay. Okay. Fail talent plan. Some people can't hear it. We're gonna try and fix this, okay? Oh, minus. Who set up this live stream? Okay, sorry. I'm gonna try and fix this for you guys. All right? You guys can hear the song. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try. Can you hear it now? Can you hear it, Ray? Fired. Play. Is it playing on the stream?
No, can't hear it.
No? No? Playing?
Stop. Stop.
Yeah, I stopped it. So it was playing?
Yeah, in the beginning when you were saying this, before you said, is it playing?
I think that's only
Okay. Patience, guys. Patience is a virtue. We're gonna try and fix this thing. Hold on. Oh, someone says louder. So it was playing. I can hear it on Tali's live stream on TikTok. Oh.
That's from the street.
Flop now, eh? Ah. Huh?
I think it's from the sound from here.
It probably is. Let me see how I can fix that for you. Yeah.
Can email the track.
No, I can't email the track. Okay, hold on, man. Hold on. Let's try again. Okay, I think we got it here. We're gonna try this now. Yeah.
Yeah, yang mau kira kalau siang mana? Yeah.
Yeah.
Masih beku?
How about that?
It's low.
It is playing.
It's low. Yeah, it's playing, but it's really low.
Okay.
No sound.
Okay, hold on.
We'll get it.
Please be patient, everyone.
Yeah. No.
See, and then hearing it. They were hearing it. They were saying it's low, but it sounds good. Sound like a man.
No. Yeah. Yeah. I got feed now.
Oh man.
Oh, can't. Yeah, he'll carry.
No, HL L3 to 100. That's
Okay, let me try something. Okay.
HL L3 to.
Okay, we'll try. I'm getting a feed now. Yeah. Oh, not obvious. It was working yesterday. All right. We're gonna come back when we figure out what happened to this thing. Puno sa noyo, kami stress. Hey, no come wireless. Huh? Oh, it's not. Prevention is better than a cure. Huh? What do you want about, bro? Itu muala. No. Black market juga dengan dia. All right, guys. Sorry about that. We're gonna figure out what happened to our wonderful live stream. But thank you, Denitya, for hopping on the chat. Sorry, Mohelata. Sorry, guys. We're still getting used to the new name. We're gonna talk to Mohelata in a bit when we figure out how to fix the stream. But just a reminder to everybody to tag 3 friends in the comments, and you can go home with a brand new JBL Flip 7 tonight. Sorry, Tali is here. I'm gonna go and hop off it and figure out what's going on with our.
Not very shiny head.
Oh my gosh. Very well.
Wow.
Okay. I think I figured it out. Give me a second. Yeah, I can do that.
Hey, Bulvinex,
That's what I'll do.
welcome back. Sarah Kilangongo, Facebook, Instagram, bro.
Wow. Okay.
Bro, big jealous.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
You know what the beautiful thing about this thing is?
It's on the troubleshoot.
You can troubleshoot during the moment.
Makan tuh.
In the moment, people need to figure it out.
Huh?
Hey, big kudos to you if you're watching in, if you're still here. Boy, you know what? This is an actual look into the kind of stuff we do. Like things are go wrong, what I think gonna go right down the line. It will.
Okay, I think I fixed the thing. We're gonna have a listen, Manda, to this track. It's on this one.
Hey, big kudos to you if you're watching in, if you're still here.
Hey, off tak naman.
My voice is louder. I'm able to project careering.
Projection.
My projection is career.
All right. You guys ready to hear Mohelata song? We'll figure it out. This is the brand new one from Mohelata called Senitoa. It's VT1 Senitoa right here on the live stream. Let's go.
Yes.
It's on it. You can hear more of that tomorrow morning.
Let's go.
Big shout out to Mohelata. That's a new song. You hear a little snippet of it here tonight on the live stream. Big shout out to Mohelata and the team, J Tauleka, for the composition.
Alrighty, thank you so much, everyone. If you're just joining in on the live, you know what? We've already said it before. We're gonna say it again. This is where you can actually hear the song before it actually drops. So if you hear Vinakwa, 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 Mohelata, ladies and gentlemen, and you know what? The beautiful thing about it though, these are young people that are out here making a difference. If you just join, tell them off. They're fed up because the country high blood pressure.
Tell them.
We're giving it away. Also, tune in tomorrow, 10 a.m. You will hear the songs on all platforms.
Hey, what's the next song on the album, guys? I forgot the order of the album again. Is it Kali? You don't want to talk? Since when? Taman don't talk. We're gonna talk to Kali Tui. Hopefully, we can figure out the sound issue. But yeah, I think we can. Haranga. Where's everybody listening in from? Where's everybody watching from? Who's this? Louis Fiji. Is that your auntie? Oh, Kali's auntie in the chat. Huh? Oh, that came the other day, right?
Nice.
Gori. Okay.
Let us know where you're watching from. Let us know. Keep the comment section burning. Drop your hearts. Drop your fiery emoji.
Gori.
You can look for one Vuni Grog in the emoji section there. Give me the Vuni Grog.
Give
sometimes
it.
like that. Yeah?
Man, I've been sitting here for like 2 hours. My gosh, I will like me collapse.
Hey, don't collapse.
I will like me collapsion. Sorry, baby. Sorry,
baby.
Lodala Beach in the chat. We've got gang from all around here.
Hey.
Lautoka in the chat. Solomon Islands in Honiara in the chat. Port Moresby, Ley, Port Villa, Santo, all the way to Sydney, Australia. We're going worldwide here on the VT1's Ngani Vatu pre-release live stream.
New Zealand.
New Zealand in the chat. New Zealand.
Hey, don't forget again about Yasa. Again, sorry.
Bato Bahay. Bato Bahay. Huh?
All the gang watching it from Perth. Bulare, Bulasia.
Bulare. Bula to the Fijian draw. Bula to the Fijian draw players. One another Gito last week. Kito, oh my goshness. We whack the hurricanes. We show them the cyclone.
See, the directors were going to give us a holiday, and then you gang going to do that fancy thing in the afternoon. See, don't do that. You say winner, tell all the directors no job tomorrow.
Sengatale. Over there. Where's over there? From over there. Oh, we've got someone here from Beirut. All the families out in Beirut. All our Fijians out in the Middle East. You guys stay safe. We know that the situation is dire over there with the war that's popping off. So you guys stay safe if you are out in the Middle East.
Not forgetting Scotland and Samoa. Scotland. What are you doing in Scotland? Are you all right there?
Okay.
Sinise,
Awamanda.
Kilo kamu be, kata nubuka meka.
Kobe Lamba. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do this thing.
One last time.
DJ
Drishant in the chat. Wait, you can grok Sangatali.
No, I don't know. This probably here want to.
This one new skill we never knew.
I'm telling me too fast. You don't tell me too fast. You slow boat.
You ball head. All right, guys. Taki. Port Moresby PNG in the chat. Hopefully we get to see you guys this year. Nahautava Backpackers. The Nahautava Backpackers. Kati.
If you have a grog in your, if you have a greg in your yasa,
Grog matanga.
that if you have mandanga grog, bola to you, bola from the VT1's crew.
Kati. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try and jump to the next singer, which is Kalitui, but I'm trying to get her song. So before I do that, I'm gonna ask everybody if they can hear it, so that I don't pot it again and everybody tell me off with the thing.
Who want to tell you off?
Don't tell me off, man.
No, asking, stressing mandanga here yesterday, boy. True story.
I'm just a kid.
He's just learning, guys. Have mercy.
Just a little kid. Do I have?
Do you?
Oi, not Coco, Toto. Sorry, I was searching for Kalitui Coco.
Sometimes you have to koko kalitui.
Oi, sangat tali.
Sometimes you have to
Toto. Chibiwi. Oh yeah.
Yay!
I got it. Mention. Okay. Awa manda. Don't I can upload mandang god. Awa. You know how to do this thing?
Boy, I just seeing a slash dot.
Huh?
Some game from Roger Hotel Street are watching.
Hey,
Rajibai
Neighbor.
Yasa.
Who's watching from Raja by Patel Street?
Yasa.
Okay, I'm gonna play this thing and you can tell me if you can hear it. Don't growl at me. Don't growl at me. I'm just a gentle baby. I'm a child. Just tell me if you can hear this. Can you hear that? Just tell me if you can hear it. Hey. You could hear that?
Yes.
Chat, please.
My.
Give me a sign.
All right. Keep the emoji coming. Which emoji should it be? Wow. Hey,
Are, kona clap. Ito
Hey.
binakata na not really.
what does not really mean?
Yes, we can, but not so loud. Okay. I'm gonna loud it, and then you tell me if you can hear the thing. Okay. Ready nga go.
Yeah! I'm getting excited over volume, guys. That's crazy.
See? Some gang saying no, some gang saying yes.
No.
Earbud, manda, earbud. Kumanda
See,
may na
the
earbud.
majority of the gang saying yes.
Okay. Don't loud, just blast.
blast.
Ay, same thing though. Awa.
Hey, klan do telepon ni.
Do gentle with us, gentle. Ito si may TV station. Awa. Yan eh?
like background.
Yeah, well, good. You're gonna hear something today, but you're gonna hear the full thing on your YouTube tomorrow. So we're gonna tell them about
Yes,
My Kali.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna
Come,
give them
Kali.
come Kali. We're gonna talk about it now. Talk about it. Ibig na kango. Okay. Sa mani
guys.
confusing na kango.
Bulur.
Bulur
Hi.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it now. Okay. So we're here with Kali Tui. Kali Tui, say hello to everybody on the chat. Big round of applause for her. Show some love. Show some love. Okay, so Kali, how's your journey been so far? Is this 1 year in VT1s yet or no?
Bro, I've been here for 3 years.
Nakan. Eh?
You've been seeing me for 3 years, bruh.
Hey, can
March
someone
8th,
from management confirm if she's been here for 3 years?
Bruh, I've been here for 3 years. I came in 2024 Jan.
Oi.
I released my song Nanumiao on
Yep.
March 8th,
Oi.
2024. It is now
Oh.
almost March
It's a-
8th. In a few days,
Right.
2026, that makes 3 years of Nanumiao, my first song.
What's
What you talking
I've
about?
got amnesia from trying to figure out this thing here. All right. So,
Yes.
so Kali, last year was a big year for you.
Yeah.
You released your second EP. You toured around the world.
Thank you.
What are some of the countries you went to? Tell me about that.
Man, we went all over the place. It was like a whirlwind of traveling, performing.
It's only so loudly.
I wish you guys could see
Yeah.
our setup. 2 people down there trying to print. The printer right there. Bruh.
Banggo yo auntie, take it easy on Kali Twin, daw mamandua. Sengatali.
Yeah, the mama doa. Listen to my aunties, my nalebu.
Sengatali. Yeah. So how was that? So you went to Australia, New Zealand.
Yeah.
You went to Solomon Islands. How was what to you was your favorite stop of last year's tour?
Bro, so we went to Solomon, we went to New Zealand, Australia, we went to Vanuatu.
Right.
That was my favorite. We went twice.
So Vanuatu twice, Port Vila the first time, and the second time was where?
Santo.
And you opened for 2 amazing bands. Who were they?
Oh man, in Port Vila we got to open up for Big Mountain, which is huge enough in and of itself. But then the second time we got to go to Santo and open up for the original Lucky Dube band. Bro, you ain't ready. If you ever see them in real life, you're privileged.
They're awesome. Yeah, they were awesome live, man. There was a once in a lifetime kind of experience watching those
I
guys
was
perform.
crying. I was literally crying.
Literally. Okay, so now coming into 2026, the new year, a new year of music for you. What can people expect this year from Kali Tui?
Man, you can expect some new sounds because I'm trying to experiment. You know, R&B is my comfort zone. I want to try out other genres. I want to try out things maybe that the fans want to hear. So if you guys want to hear anything new sound-wise, let me know.
Right. Yeah. So amazing stuff. There's a song that they're working on right now that I can't wait for people to hear.
I can't wait.
It's like totally different. What's up?
Even's rendering videos.
Huh?
Even will render videos of the song. So you
Yeah.
make like how you do the music video.
Yeah. Do that.
Yeah, you're rendering the thing now.
Okay. Cool. We got a solution.
We got a solution.
Keep talking. Oh, so someone's like holding up one thing.
See?
Keep talking while we're see. That's us
We
game's
got the
technical
team.
team.
We got the team.
They're all technical-ing everything all the time. So last year, one of my favorite projects was your EP. What was your EP called, and what's your favorite song on it?
Last year I think my EP was called Nalomangu. I had 3 tracks. It was Lomangu, Ririko, and Vosota. So
Right.
my favorite
Yes.
will definitely have to be. Damn, I can't choose.
Man, you have to. That's what questions are for.
Okay, if I have to pick one, this guy, my child, he always bullies me, guys. Well, I got the power.
Deserves the
I can
bullying.
tell you, he bullies me all the time. It's because he's my tao, man. So my favorite would have to be Ririko, even though not a lot of people are into it. It's my R&B lane, but it's my vocals that I love on it. Like I like the way that I did some different stuff,
Right.
different runs.
I like the collab that you did there, the Ririko one with Bill Bass. Yeah, that was the first time we did like a song
Yes.
collaborating with
Also,
like a musician. So like a musical guy
Yep.
who was actually featured as an artist on the track, which is cool.
And we see that overseas all the time, but I haven't really seen it in Fiji yet, where you have a feature with a person who can play, bro.
Right.
Play.
Exactly. Bill Bass, man. Shout out to Bill Bass, wherever
Shout out,
he
brother.
is. Shout out to Bill Bass. George Fong in the chat. George Fong from Ticketmax saying, "Go easy on the printer."
Hey,
How did you know you use the printer?
my auntie said she wants to hear me sing a Hindi song. That's like a goal.
Yes.
That's a goal, honey.
Maybe we
That's
do
a goal.
a Hindi song soon. Eh?
Yeah.
You and Ronald J.
Representation and
Shout out
Liz
Ronald
with
J.
the Rituman song.
Yes, Liz with the Rotuman song coming out soon. We're going to play your song. It's called Toto. I've got it here racked up. I don't know if it's going to be loud or not. Please don't complain. Tomorrow thing coming out, you're going to hear it properly, but
Yeah.
you'll hear a little snippet of it. How do you describe the sound of Toto?
Bro, it's moody. It's dance hall dark vibes. Moody. Moody heartbreaking.
What a mood,
Because
mood,
it's like I'm
mood
getting
to-
cheated on again.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Greg.
Mood.
Why?
WhatsApp. All right. Mood that manda.
Don't
Yo,
bula.
don't bula in the chat. Okay, that's like
I
now
don't
I'm
like it
getting-
because I don't really drink grog that much. It's the offense out here. I
See,
feel it.
Guys, the lies that are happening on this
Like,
live stream, we
what
have to
is-
call
what
the police. We need one COI.
How
We
do
need
I
one
cut his
COI.
mic? Because I feel offended.
We need to
I feel
investigate.
attacked.
Toto, yes, Toto is pain in
Yeah.
Lawan. What is Toto about? Tell them about it.
It's like I'm in pain because you cheated on me again.
Arre, who's cheating on you, Kali?
Somebody is cheating on me.
Tell his name. Drag him.
I don't know.
Drag him. Say his name.
Whoever he is,
Yes.
he's cheating on me again.
See, guys,
So I'm in pain.
Kali's invisible boyfriend has been cheating on her. And we are not standing for it at VT1S. We wrote a song.
Yeah. Like why? Why you do that to me again? It hurts. Do you not know it hurts?
Okay, we're gonna try and get that track. It's right here. Thanks to our big shout out to our technical team who are working around the clock behind the scenes to get us these songs so that we can watch them or listen to them, not watch them.
Oh, I didn't see you guys.
Say hello.
Oh, Tali's TikTok.
You can say hello
How
to
are
Singyang
you?
in the chat.
Can see some people
Yes,
on
please,
the
yes.
TikTok. Hi,
Okay,
TikTok.
unfortunately, it's not in the chat. Yes. Invisible is crazy.
My twin. Miss you, twin. William Aspon Wong.
Wedja in the chat.
Reja is a legend. Listen to his music. It's still online on all platforms.
Boy, Wedja, dinasarang namin on na grog. Myself, I don't grog.
Lies.
Tonight, the first time.
That's a lie.
The first time that I'm drinking
Liar.
grog,
Lies.
yaki mo na.
Lies and lies.
Yaki.
Just like my fake boyfriend, you lying.
Not fake, invisible.
Why you lying?
He exists, but only to you.
He must be here cheating on me again and lying to me.
He exists in the ether. All right.
Oh my god.
Also, later on, we're gonna cross over to our friend Solo Volau. Solo Volau is a writer. He wrote some songs for Kali in Tondomongo. He wrote. We're gonna cross over to him. He's out in the Marshall Islands, so hopefully these guys fix this thing, and then we can cross over to.
Solo has a lot of hits on his belt,
Yes, man.
like a lot. So
Damn, this been calling me a liar.
yeah, because you are a liar.
You
You're a
are.
liar and a cheat.
You the police. Who are you? You the
You
police.
are a liar.
You know my lies. You know my life story.
Stop with the lies. You better stop now.
Tag 3 gang in the comments, and you can win this speaker here, the Flip 7.
How do the influencers do it?
No, but your hand too small.
See, look at that. What am I doing?
Put your head.
Look at that. It's clear. Look at that. Look at that.
Eh?
Look at that.
Wait,
It's
why is
clear.
that?
Because I'm an influencer. If you didn't know.
Influenza, like the disease.
You.
Hey, okay.
You.
Yucky. Get away. All right,
Tell him
guys.
twin. Tell him to him twin.
All right, okay. I'm gonna just try and play it. I think I've got it here on the. I've got it wrapped up over here. We're gonna just turn this thing off, and we're gonna try and play you Toto for the 5th time.
Toto. Hey, can you guys hear it?
2 minutes. Oh, second.
I wonder if you guys can hear it. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yes? Huh?
See, some people are saying yeah.
Yeah? I think it's coming out. It's coming out of our bed. Eh? Mike.
My child.
Good stuff. Ciao. Good stuff.
Well, yeah.
It's on. It's on.
Hey. Oh, four. I see you. Thank you, man. Go, Carly. Go, Carly.
Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, Kali 2 is V1. VT1's Toto drops tomorrow on the VT1's Ngani Vatu album. Congratulations, Kali. Give me a high five. Amaze balls. Boy, that was deadly. How's all the allowance in the chat? Any allowance here? Or they all went to sleep? It's past their bedtime.
Also, anyway, wherever you're from, drop it in the comment section. We would like to greet you and your Yahusa, Lima, Chinkalima, Tintini. The whole thing, the whole show, bam. Hey, I see you coming with the etoto, guys, etoto.
Tots.
Totty.
Oh, man, then I can go. Okay.
Alrighty, if you just joined or if you've been here for a while, keep sharing. Tag 3 friends in the comment section. And you're going to be walking away with your brand new JBL. Kudos to JBL. Samalo. Also, go ahead and follow the new ones on social media. This is Kesia, Mohelata, and we have Tulangi. These are the 3 new ones, and you can follow them, hit them up on all of their socials, give them a follow for their brand new music and all the good things that they have for you. Yombula.
Nice, eh?
Ew,
Like when we say
Ako
Nani.
na Milo nga.
Yeah. We got Liz Vamarasi coming up, guys. Don't worry. She's coming up.
Varamasi.
Liz Vamarasi on the chat. So after this, we're gonna talk to you too, Greg. Oh my gosh! This grog is just smacking me. I'm really catching.
Oh, we have a very interesting question. When is the next concert? Looking forward to that concert.
Stay tuned to the socials. We're about to announce after this album, eh? After this album, we're gonna announce the thing. Just checking. Sorry. I'm gonna try and fix this.
Alrighty, while he's trying to do that, let me talk to you for a second. I think this is a really good time for us again to be like, be proud of our Mela Skin, Melanation. Go ahead and check out the Queen Naromba Bamboo Park page as well. This is a great place if you want to do family bonding, you want to do some getaway time unplugged. Boy, I'll tell you one true story. When I was getting went there, no internet, boy. But on my mind, I think free for the first time in like years.
Wait,
It
something-
was crazy.
It's something how much the internet just like blocks everything in your life. Eh?
It's like a cloud above your head, and when you go there, no internet, you like you do look around, you be like, oh my gosh, the grass is actually green.
We should try now. Everybody log off. Get off the stream.
Everybody immediately. It's actually pretty good in the villages there. They have this system that works for everyone. They actually cook for you. So if you buy Greg, shut your mouth. So if you buy the tickets to go and visit the place, right? They actually cook for you. You can lalambe, kana roro, you can ngunci tapioca, ngunci uto.
Yummy.
And that's like the best part about being in Fiji or being in the Pacific is that our food is fresh from the ground.
Fresh from the...
From behind.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
You know it.
Fresh from the
Crown.
The crown.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got this thing. Awak.
Oh my God.
Fresh ngawi. Oh,
Hey,
Yeah,
Greg.
gila,
Greg,
gila.
come here, Manda. Come on and tell us, Manda, how we first met. I think this is interesting because Greg has been walking around here. Got it. Greg has been walking out here, and I think people are asking why this random guy is here in our chat. But you know, we knew Greg before he became a superstar, famous.
before I had
guy.
long hair.
Yes, before he had hair.
We need him for light support.
Gory.
We
So
brought him here to reflect.
I'm
the
the
light.
official light support of the group. So if the power goes off, Zinas are on to nga.
So tell us the story. When was the first time we met, Greg?
So how I met your mother? No. Wait,
Hey,
no.
how you met your mother? That's true.
Okay. So that was in Sydney. I think 3 years ago. Eh?
Yes.
So those guys had their first time in outside of Fiji. The first concert outside of Fiji in a museum there in Sydney. And one friend of mine just told me, "Oh, there's VT1S who's gonna play there." Shout out to Ini. Ini.
Shout out Ini.
You sit tunga. So we went to Sydney Uni together with Ini.
Right.
And she told me, go there. And so I went there. And then I really enjoyed it. Vibe tunga, vibe. Whoa.
Catch.
Ikaw natutunan. Nawa. So yeah, I enjoyed it. And the next day, then I just saw those two, Mere and Tix. I just saw them at Kemat.
Right.
They were buying stuff.
It's a funny
And then I
story.
just went to them and spoke to them in Fiji. Their eyes, they couldn't believe it. They one white guy in Australia speaking Fijian to them. So that's how we just became friends, and then we just exchanged number. And then whenever I was Kara, then I know that
We never exchanged number. This fella, see, this is the thing about Greg, guys. I just want to tell you one thing. He comes to things whether he's invited or not. Eh?
Yeah,
One
you
day
know-
I was at home. This fella just rocked up. Nobody comes to drink grog in my house. This fella came down the driveway and started mixing grog on the porch without me at home.
No, this one is always Kara. Don't listen.
That part of the culture you haven't learned yet, Greg. But it's awesome to have you here. Just maybe get some feedback because you are an academic as well, studying culture, anthropology, and you've been studying the Fijian or Itauke.
Yeah.
How do you think like music? What part do you think it plays in the transmission of knowledge, language, things like that?
So I think it's very important because it's gonna speak to the youth in any age. Yeah? So I'll give you an example. So in any French-speaking country, we don't speak any English. So all of our songs are in French, all of our movies, anything is all in French. And then later you learn English. Yeah? But that gives you a very strong identity and sort of, like this pride in your culture, which doesn't mean that you find your culture to be above, but it just gives you this confidence. Yeah? So it's very important, I think, that every country should have their own music in their own language. And people will enjoy it. Whenever I play Fijian music to my friends, they look at good quality video, like world-class quality. They love it. They ask me the name of the artist. They really vibe to it.
Yes.
So you can bring your culture to the world, and people will enjoy actually better to hear Fijian songs than English songs, because people already sing English songs.
Right.
So
it's unique.
It's already taken. Yeah. So the Fijian one will be very unique.
I think that's
And also like I think small kids from the village, they can resonate with that. They can understand the lyrics. Many times, they don't understand the lyrics. I didn't understand the lyrics of English songs until I was like 59 years old. So,
59 go rin ang kasi. Yeah, but I think that's the important thing about music and why we choose to sing in Fijian is so that we can play our part in the protection of our language, especially for the urban gori. Ngunusara. The urban
Mas
speakers,
vamos
yeah?
ver.
A lot of worry.
Vamos ver.
Wow, kolo you.
Weh, rock sana kan anak.
Wow, loud sana. Iba kay
Camila. Dale, Camila.
Big shout out to Greg. Thank you for joining us today.
Yes, sabi
man.
na kawalevo.
Really appreciate
Osa like cheso tombali mandai.
Lako chis to
Yeah, tomale.
That's for all the lies.
My goodness. Okay, we're gonna move on. We have somebody here. Fella's actually stuffing his face over there, but we're gonna bring him into the live stream. Our second, the second new artist that we're gonna talk to this evening. His name is Emosi. No, what's his name? Tulangi.
Tulangi.
Big round of applause for Tulangi, ladies and gentlemen, trying to eat his pizza in peace.
Oh, Tulangi sekana.
Swallow. Live stream like kickoff. Okay, so
Don't worry, your song drops tomorrow.
my Tulangi. It's 9:41. We've got a couple more minutes before we announce the winner. I hope you're tagging your friends in the comments. Our team is now doing the random check to see who wins the speaker. Hi, my brother. Hello, bro. Hello, brother. Hey, Russ. Come have a seat, man. Introduce yourself to the people, my bro.
Bulwanaga guys, my name is Tulangi. From Nambito Tokotoka Televo, Wasunambata Vaneta Siri.
Shout out to the gang from Tokotoka.
Yo.
So you actually won vocal battle a couple years back. When was it that you won vocal battle, my bro?
2023.
2023, you won vocal battle, and you've been what have you been up to since that moment?
After vocal battle, it's just been me back to work and doing a little bit more study in USP and been doing gigs, a little bit of gigs here and there. With gigs at the bar. I was actually managing a bar too, so I usually did gigs there.
Amazing.
Once in a while, yeah.
So like, how was that experience when you were called up to the VT1's roster? What's the plans this year? How's it? How you feeling, man?
Oh, I was super excited because I think after the audition, before the auditions, actually sent in a demo.
Right.
Sent in a demo, so it was just like fingers crossed and hope for the best onwards from there.
Right. So I think just for everybody to know, we put up a post last year to ask people to send their demos in so that we could. We were looking for new artists, and Emosi was one of those people, and we're so glad that you reached out, my friend. Right. So we're gonna jump into it. Tell us a little bit about your song "Sevataki" and what it's about.
Sevataki is a song about a guy who's going through a heartbreak. It's just him putting his feelings in words and in a song. It's expressing how he feels towards his girl, and it's just not been the same after she's left. So yeah.
Well, we're excited to hear it, man. And for everybody on the live stream, once again, you're hearing this for the first time. They're gonna drop tomorrow at 10 a.m. But for you, gang, tonight, you get to hear it. This is the first time you're hearing it too. Sing you sing it. All right, guys. I don't know if you're gonna hear it or not, but even if you can't hear it, you're gonna hear it tomorrow. Here is VT1 Sevataki performed by my friend. Mosi goes by Tulangi, brand new VT1's artist. Let's go. That's out in the world. Thanks. Welcome. Come in a bit so we can see you. That was brand new music. VT1's Sevataki, dropping tomorrow at 10 a.m. Latar Lalaing is going on right now here in the studio. Big round of applause. Congratulations, my brother. Welcome to the VT1s.
Thank you very much, guys.
Brand new artist Tulangi, you will see a lot more of him. Look out for his music video, goes into production from next week. We are really excited, man. It's such an honor to present here to you guys on the live stream for all our supporters and people who've been. This is indeed a pleasure. This is indeed a pleasure. We're going to talk now to the man behind it all, the man who started it back in 2021.
Yes,
21. Tropic Thunder. Tropic Thunder. A lot of people haven't seen you out on, on camera and stuff. You always like to hide, but
Yes.
I think
I love to hide.
nobody's giving you your flowers, my friend.
Thank you.
And I think
Thank
on
you
this
for that.
live stream, we'll give you your flowers whether you want them or not. But this is a man who has changed the trajectory of regional music. And what he did in his little studio in Vatuanga absolutely changed the fabric of Fijian music. And we here at VT1s will not stop until this man is given his flowers. This is the man.
Bros, sorry, I actually came online. Just wanted to do a few shoutouts.
Yeah, go ahead,
If that's
bro.
okay.
Hey, bro, this is your everything. You do whatever you want, my friend.
First off, just want to shout out to Sefton, the family from Melbourne.
Mula
Because,
Sefton.
Fella DM'd me. Fella was asking for a shout out. So.
Okay, this is the fella sound. This is the fella sound effect.
Hey, Seth, thank you for tuning in. The other thing I wanted to talk about was shout out as well to the gang who also had helped us with production as well. I don't think we mentioned them, but their work is also on this album. Just want to shout out to Unique.
Yes. Shout out to Unique.
Shout out to Unique. Shout out to Steve, brother Steve, and also Solo Volau as well. Thank you for your contributions to this album, and yes, thank you.
And thank you, Thunder. Thank you for what you did back in 2021, giving us a platform to come out here and change the game for Fijian music. A lot of artists have come through this program, and it's all thanks to what you did back then. Just that leap of faith back in 2021 to change things. Ladies and gentlemen, the man himself,
Thank you.
the future Hall of Famer, not future Hall of Famer, the now Hall of Famer, the future of Fiji music, is the Tropic Thunder. Give him his flowers. Thank you.
Shout out to Kaurasi as well, my cousin from the west,
Right.
and also to Fumaru and Jetila, our team that went up to Namosi. Shout out to them as well. Thank you.
That was the man himself, man. Always trips me up that we get to work with this kind of talent, once in a generation talent.
What about this then?
Not Greg, Tropic Thunder. Greg, fella, once in a generation for a reason. Fella to stay in that generation. How's everybody going in the chat? We've got a couple more. We've got 2 more songs to showcase this evening. We've got Kesia coming up next.
There's a question from the chat.
Mine.
They're asking if they can have a sneak peek into the video for this next one. Like
Oi.
how you did for Jay?
Oi,
Iyo.
you gang want to watch the video again?
I don't know. Can you play the video online?
Yeah, sure. I
I
can do anything. I don't know.
Oh, it's in the USB. Your tech team is saying.
Yeah.
You just so now you display.
Set. All good. But you wanna watch the voodoo again? You guys wanna watch the Ngani Vatu one again?
They want to watch Kesia's like the number one.
Oh, you gang wanna?
We haven't shot the videos.
No, we haven't shot any video. We haven't shot the videos, guys.
Oh, there you go, guys. You have to be patient.
So how this is gonna work is we're gonna drop the Ngani Vatu video first with all the songs, and then over the next couple of weeks, you're gonna see music videos dropping online. Patience, guys. It's so late for video.
Well, you can start hidden.
Embunadi. Well, na-collapse so hidden. Live ni edit. All right, guys, we're gonna welcome Kesia to the chat. Kesia, where's Kesia? Hey.
Oi.
Oi, kunin buni o iko. How may kaya you, Rewa? You may kai. Come here.
Oi.
How are you? High five. You okay?
Yes.
This is Kesia, ladies and gentlemen. Kesia Satui.
Yes.
And that's your real name.
My real name.
That's your real name. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Where are you from? All that stuff.
My name is Kesia Satui, also known as Kesia. I'm from Moata, Rewa. Shout out to the gang at home.
Shout out to Rewa. All my guys in Rewa. Hey. And it's awesome to have you here at the VT1S, Kesia. What's the experience been like so far? You know, it's been a whirlwind roller coaster. Eh? How's it been for you?
Well, nerve-wracking, and because it's new for me, experiencing all these new things. Exciting too, eh?
Kesia has an amazing voice, and we can't wait to play this track for you because, like, the first time we heard Kesia, her, it was like mind blowing. We were like, "What the heck?" Like, this is the level of talent in this country always surprises us. Yeah, like we just get a shock now. We hear one voice, no man, like it's your voice on this song. It's like one of my favorite ones on the album. I feel like it's gonna be the banger from the album, the club banger, the song that everyone's playing. Yeah. Hey, I'm not lying. I don't lie. Still losing. Like I said, I don't grog the first time. So like who are you doing this for? Like everybody has a reason and a why behind why they do things, and what's your why?
Well, I have a 3-year-old son at home, so I'm doing this for him.
What's his name?
Hezron.
Bula Hezron. You're watching your mom. Hopefully you're watching your mom on the stream. Yeah, so this one is for Hezron and for Kesia's family and everybody who's listening in. We're welcoming her to the VT1S for the first time. A brand new voice for all of you in the chat. Until we find the song. Tell one story while I find the... What is the name of your song?
Kawaii. Kawaii is not like a heartbreak kind of song.
What is it?
It's just the girl who's grateful for her relationship, with
Right.
the partner, and she's grateful for the partner.
Yeah, I think there's not many of those songs out there. Usually it's always the Kavoro stuff, but it's never like appreciating your partner. So for those in stable relationships and for women who appreciate your partner so much, this one is for you. It's called Kawaii. Who composed it?
Thunder.
Thunder and the words?
Oh, sorry, you. Oh, Jito Leka and Thunder. Thank you, Jito Leka, man.
Jay Tauleka. His fingerprints are all over this album, him and Tropic Thunder. We're excited to play this for you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're sitting down, I want you to get up because this next one, you're going to want to shake a little bit. Not if you're groggy.
Nightclub.
I don't get shaking or lua. Oh, this is the brand new one from Kesia. It's VT1's Kawaii. Here on the VT1's pre-release live stream. That's you. See, you're on the live stream. Let's play it. I think it is this one. High five. Congratulations. Rauli Bekila, Yalogueka,
Oh man, this is so sweet. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kesia, brand new VT1's artist. The entry on the VT1's pre-release live stream for Ngani Vatu. How's that one?
Boy, the gang in the comment section are actually going wild, and that's what we're here to do. We're here to make a difference. We're here to bring out new sound on VT1s. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, ladies and gentlemen, Kesia, come on, Kawaii.
Oh my God.
Also, it drops tomorrow, 10 o'clock, all platforms. So go out there and watch it count down and listen to album number 4, Ngani Vatu, VT1s.
Amazing stuff, man. You know, this is such a trip, eh? It's so awesome to be able to work right here in the engine room for Fiji Music here in VT1s, you know, to bring new artists out, gang, you know, new gang that you haven't heard before. This is such a pleasure and an honor to be able to do this. And yeah, I'm about to cry. So
Don't cry. Oh my God, you big baby tears.
I'm sorry.
And the beautiful thing about VT1s is that we have a lot of young people that transition, they come in, they get equipped, they learn, they widen their horizon, and then they go out there. And I think that's one of the main reasons why VT1s is VT1s, is because we are VT1s, baby.
Ding,
Did
ding.
you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Oh, man.
Maybe it's the young one. I'm a bit confused.
And we have 3 new artists. Reiterating it again, we have 3 new artists. We have Kesia, we have Tulangi, and course, we have more help.
We have one more artist to go and
Yep.
one more song to show you from the album. It's from Liz Vamarasi, and she's gonna come on in a bit. But right now, we have a winner for the speaker or no?
Do we have a winner?
It's time to give. It's like 10 o'clock. We're a little bit over the time we were supposed to go, but yeah. Do we? Huh? What happened?
You think?
Huh? Oh, no news headline. Right now, news headlines. Abo like ni collapse gitu na ngunyang ko na.
You think that the director, will drink a bit of grog, that the fellow gonna relax a bit? No, the fellow's like 10 o'clock. Wait.
Hey, we've got Serenation in the chat. Steve Rakula, shout out to him. He wrote a couple of the songs. He also contributed to Kawaii, which is an interesting fact. He wrote the second verse, which is amazing. Do we have a winner yet for the speaker?
Can we spin the wheel? Men, kila yun na tamak tong ko men. Tarlak naman doon na tamak tong ko men. Taram ko yan doon na
Kango may dito na kiyamba men.
Kango mel ako tayo doon na puno ayaw. Ko mel.
Una la ko anyway.
Climb. Yeah. Do it again.
You're giving me anxiety. Okay.
Anxious.
All right, guys. While we wait for the team to figure out who won this JBL Flip 7, we're going to move on with the music. We're going to talk to a very special artist, someone who's been dominating on the charts. Her name is what?
Liz Vamarasi,
Liz
ladies and
Vamarasi.
gentlemen.
Oh, Liz Vamarasi. Big round of applause for Liz Vamarasi. My Lizzie. Really? You dope what?
This fella Greg giving me too much grog.
My gosh.
How's it, everyone?
Yeah, who's here? Yeah, big shout out. Shouts to anyway, no voice. Claps to Liz Vamarasi, ladies and gentlemen. Liz Vamarasi, it is a new year of music for you here at the VT1s. You've had an absolutely stellar career. I was listening to your Today FM interview and they were saying you are one of the last originals. Or are you the last original?
Oh my gosh, yeah, I had so much fun with the Today FM gang. It's always a good time with them. Sharing more about the album, eh?
Right.
Yeah, and I'm so excited for you guys to hear my song, guys. It's a bit different, but I love it.
It's called Ngalowasa. I have to find
Yes.
it. Ngalowasa. Wait, okay. Yeah, but anyway, just tell us a little bit about your journey. You came in 2020 what?
End of 2021 after the first album. Yeah,
Right.
going into 2022.
I remember you at the first concert. That was in FMF Gym. You were like, how old were you at that point?
I was 19. Yeah, I was 19.
Why?
Yeah.
So now you're like one of the seniors. You've been in here like 100 years now. So kami doon na ancestors. You don't know who DVT1s. So how's that experience been? Just tell us a little bit about the growth. All this process that you've been going through. How's that?
I think for me it's like every year is like a learning process, eh? And with all the great collaborations. Shout out to Lepani, and shout out to Shanri. With these big collaborations, which I'm so grateful for. And yes, so much fun on the tours.
Yeah.
I mean, you were there, right?
I was there. I was there. I'm trying to tarokila for the gang in the chat, but I was there. So anyway, we'll ask some gang in the chat. Do you guys have any questions that you'd like to ask Liz Vamarasi?
J Love, Dead Dinosaur.
Hi. Dinosaurus Rex.
Dinosaurus kan?
Cemesa. Ali. What do you Jay Lave, that's our accountant at VT1S. He never came to work today. Anyone got any questions in the chat for Liz? This is your once in a lifetime opportunity to ask her something. Come on, guys. Put them in the chat while I figure out this thing.
Yeah, so more about the Galawasa track on
Yes.
the Ngani Vatu album. I just want you guys to, when you guys listen to my song, just think of it as a band-aid. A band-aid.
A what?
A band-aid.
Oh, a band-aid.
You know, it's gonna be there on your heart.
Right.
Kila baka na bandage, come bandage tak tu no tum.
What kind of bandage?
Iyo, baka na bandage.
Kuni bondage. Huh? Bandage. Yes.
Oh, that's a good question. I think my two favorite songs to perform is Vakandoa and Rawai as of now. Yes.
Right. Bakandoa and Rawai. What's your favorite for the chat? Just if you've seen Liz perform live, what's your favorite song to hear live? I want that just for yeah. Okay, I think I got it, Liz. I got it. Figure it out.
Just a quick break of relief. We're happy.
My gosh.
We can go on. On.
Who bought that thing, man? What's your favorite song to hear Liz perform live? That is the question. Please.
Is it working now?
Yeah, I got it now. Okay, so Ngalawasa is totally different from your other tracks. What makes this one special?
I think for me, my previous songs were mostly focused on the vibey, beaty kind of music, like the dancey stuff. Yes, but this one on this Ngani Vatu album is special to me because it's more mellow, and I want people to really connect to the lyrics, the beat for it. Shout out to Thunder, Jerome Tauleka, Waltz, and Unique.
Big shout out.
Special mix.
Shout out to all our producers and our collaborators who come on these projects.
Not forgetting the writer, Solo Tigutanga in the Marshall Islands.
Yes.
And everybody else in the team. Yeah, shout out to everyone.
Really wanted to connect with Solo. So if Solo is listening, can you connect to the chat so we can talk to you about the lyrics? Are you here? Yeah, he's here. Let's tell him not to Solo. So,
oh, yeah.
How are you? Solo from the Marshall Islands, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for Solo. How are you, brother? You can hear us?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, okay, we can hear you now. I figured it out now.
Okay.
Make sure your mic is
Okay,
on.
I got you. I can hear you now.
Set.
Can everyone hear Solo? So Solo is one of our writers. He's now in the Marshall Islands. He's a teacher. He's from Laos, unfortunately, but that we can forgive. Tell us a little bit about the song, Solo. What's the intention behind it, the lyrics? Give us a bit of the story.
Yeah, so Ngalwas is basically a long-distance relationship whereby most people will relate to it. If you distant away from each other, yeah, Galwas is all about that. Talking about love, unreachable love, untouchable from both point of view. So you can only imagine. Yeah? You can only imagine, but one day you think it will come true. But thanks to the gang Creative Corner, Jay and Danda, and of course, wonderful voice, always, Liz, for putting in the extra effort, man. You guys are the best, man. Without you guys, and the whole team, man, without you guys, man, these things haven't been possible. Yeah, shout out to you guys, man.
Like a Solo.
And if you guys didn't know, everyone in the chat, Solo was also behind my first hit, Vulitaka.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Solo.
Let's go. Let's listen to that track now. We got Solo Vola on the line, and we're gonna hear it. I think this is the first time you're gonna hear it, too, my brother.
Let's go, brother.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's listen to it. This is the brand new one from Liz Vamarasi, featuring on the VT1's Ngani Vatu album. It's called
Galawasa.
Let's listen. Oi, sengay lah. Sorry, wrong. That was the wrong. Mangi, what's it? Here we go.
Totonyo Tix.
Totongi.
Totongi bilole bu.
Greg, ulundrika. Hey, kuntang.
Oh, amazing stuff, guys. If you're just joining the stream, that was the brand new one from Liz Vamarasi called Galawasa. And we're joined by Solo Volau, the writer of the song, as well on the stream from the Marshall Islands. How was that, Solo?
Nice. Wow, unbelievable. That's like the first time for me to hear Liz sing that melody, because it's
Unbelievable.
always Nabe Greg ulu though.
Hey, Greg, yes, you ulu.
Oh, nunggu kai.
Yeah, but you know, the process that goes on here at VT1s, you know, we link writers, we link artists together.
Of congratulations.
That
she nunggu kai, she will drink it for you.
Tunggu dulu.
Yeah, malo kai bilo lebu.
This is the traditional headdress from
that's from France. That's
Lau.
why you have it. Lau,
Ya ketale.
Merau. Binaka Solo, Binaka Liz, congratulations on the release.
Isa, thank you so much, guys. Isa, nakabalibu. Iyo.
Apa ni brother?
All the way from the Marshall Islands, that is Solo Volau, our writer for the final track. That's the last track. Really? Solo salah. This is Solo. Solo is amazing, you know, even though, thanks to the internet, even though our writers may sometimes be overseas, we can still connect and we can still like collaborate, you know, it's amazing.
Are you willing to give like a short introduction on how long Solo has been with us, like at VT1s, and
yes,
maybe just like a run through of like what he does here?
So Solo is one of our writers. So in VT1s, we're a team. A lot of people think VT1s is a brand. It is not. It is a team of creatives that come together to make music. So in VT1s, you have the artists, Liz, Kali, all the artists that you saw tonight, as well as a great team of writers led by J. Tauleka. We have Steve Serenation. We also have Solo Bolau in the Marshall Islands. These guys compose the songs. Then we have a team of production people, Unique, Thunder, that all come together to make the music that you love here at VT1s.
Absolutely. And the amount of work that actually goes into one song, you won't believe it. There's so much heart and there's so much thought into details that go into every song. And that's why you need a brilliant team like here.
And we're so lucky to have them. And and I think we're looking forward to welcoming more creatives into the VT1s program.
100%.
For you, if you are listening in and you're an artist and you want to join VT1s, please send your demos in. We are always looking for new talent that we can put on this stage, that we can offer this program so that we can build up Fiji music together. That's what VT1s is all about.
Absolutely. And I 100% back that up. You want to say something?
Huh?
Nothing. I have nothing to say.
Anyway,
I am ready to do the winner, the draw for the JBL that you all have been waiting for.
All right, let's give away so right now, if you are tagging your friends in the comment section, come closer to your screen, full screen the thing, because right now we're going to announce. Maybe we bring that board.
Oh yeah, wow. I just fly there. Hold on. I just buy my boarding pass.
So stand by, guys. We are now about to give away the JBL Flip 7 speaker. If this is your name, you can come and collect your brand new speaker right here at our office. You can message us and then we will get that to you. So right now, this is our winner. Who is the winner, Tale?
The winner is, drum roll.
Oh, I don't have any drum roll. Wow, vigorous.
Our winner today is Anne Marianne Vianney.
Anne Marianne Vianney. If that is your name and you are right here in the live stream, you have won yourself
a Jubble speaker.
A Jubble.
A Jubble.
Flip 7, JBL Flip 7. Congratulations. You can come and pick it up. Message us and we'll organize for it to be given to you, okay?
Oh, message me, best friend.
Where?
Best friend.
Anne-Marie what?
Anne-Marie Marianne Vianney.
All right, guys. Thank you for joining us on the stream. It was an awesome stream tonight. It was an honor to present our music to you. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., the VT1's Ngani Vatu album will drop on all platforms, and then you can hear the songs and listen to them non-stop.
And also a special dedication from J. Tauleka to his cousins that are listening in from Nandi. Stefan and who? Nathan and Stefan. Why you have to be so far away? Come closer.
Shouts to Nathan and Stefan listening in from Nandi, to all our family and friends and all the listeners who enjoy VT1's music. You know, this album is for you, gang. We can't wait to present this. This is a gift from the heart of the team here at VT1s. We can't wait for you to listen to it at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Absolutely. And if you've stayed on from the beginning of the live.
In the beginning.
Thank you so much, man. I know that we have so much love and support, not just like here, the folks that didn't know about it, for the folks that knew. Thank you so much for joining the live and just sitting here with us and watching the technical difficulties.
It's okay, guys.
The technical difficulties.
We're all human.
And the technical difficulties.
The technical difficulty is Greg bombing up.
The song, the whole, this is the thing, the whole album released tomorrow. And like Tix had said, this is something that did not happen by chance. The Vanua gave its approval. The land said yes. The Ngani Vatu even said yes. And that, I think that was really powerful.
Big stamp of approval. Before we leave you tonight, we're going to play the video clip that you will see tomorrow. This is the only place you'll see it. It's the official video for VT1's Ngani Vatu, the title track of the VT1's Ngani Vatu album. Gather around your phone, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us tonight. This one is dedicated to all of you.
Bukate butambal delaniwai Dengu badu ningaraba no bolimai Bali batu ko kambu ya wamai Te kitambayani moya do kitai E kumu nina o eloa Yanu davanda betoka Ivinambaka zena koka Mbua bezimea bunisoba Andingani Vatu engarabanua Ausanruka Mirima inalangi embisana Saubakana dangi ona ibukabu Ausanruka Unruka Ai tukuni ni ngauna rongoda mai rongoda matua Bua rua Sai toka e bonita kua Esenga enduan rauleveru Berana sauri wabindi bakaura Memua ingori kokila ikina Buki ala we musilika Tamatanga bada kedua singa Karamani lagi posili matombo kambu ina Kona gala danji Moya watuna baka isa Ngalokani na meda sangi Wakona mukambi tu sangi Suruku ina bundi edua edik Timu meda kede ko baka isa